Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a kind of dark, kind of hue, glow kind of cover art. I'm not really sure what I'm going to call it, but yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this kind of look. It's really simple, really basic. Anyone can do this if you follow this video. And yeah, let's get straight into it. This is a cover art I did for Young Fendi. So if you guys are wondering what the original kind of picture looks like, it looks like this on screen. Very different to what this looks like, but yeah, you just kind of show you guys that you can really turn anything into anything, no matter the quality or no matter the lighting, whatever. It really just takes kind of knowledge and whatever. But basically this is the kind of starting position of the cover art. It has a green tone. I didn't even cut out properly, as you can see here. Like, well, it's cut out properly, but it's just a bad cutout, mainly because of the image and like the background interfering with it. Just trying to go over all of this shit. This is mainly adjustment based, so whatever is done here, it doesn't really matter, I guess, because the adjustments save it. Like, I'm telling you guys, when it comes down to cover arts, adjustments are the main thing. And if you struggle with that, I have a whole pack dedicated to adjustments, because I was struggling with that. That's the one thing I was struggling with. I had to realize all of this shit. But I'm teaching you guys too. You don't have to go ahead and copy. It's kind of an optional thing. This is kind of like the idea, so I kind of just put a laser on his head, kind of just like, you're dead, boy. But yeah, I just put a laser on his head. I feel like lasers are really like underused. Well, I overuse them a lot. Like, I try not to use them because I used to use them a lot. I feel like people don't even use them. I kind of duplicated it and I turned this into, I'm pretty sure this is a radial blur. So if you guys do, let me show you how, boys. So if you guys go here to filter, you go to blur, radial blur, then you put it to zoom and bring it to 48 or some shit, like around 50, and you'll get this kind of look. Put the lighter color and you get that look kind of similar to this, just like that. Next thing I did was I got this kind of texture. This is in my mixed media pack. If you guys do want to go ahead and copy that, another shameless plug, I'm sorry. I do actually like recommend this shit. This shit actually, like, I was looking for kind of like a mixed media pack like this. I didn't find anything like it, so I was like, fuck, I'll put in the time and effort. So put that to darker color. This is a random thing, like I just thought it would look fire on it. But yeah, merge it, put black, and then I kind of just like I like to bring things down. Like, I just like to mess around with the positioning and things like that. Like, I would have went like that if I wanted to, or like if I thought some shit looks fire, like I'd put it over here. Really, like, I really just mess around with shit, kind of experiment, But yeah, that's basically it for the actual cover art. Also got this kind of texture here. This is also in the mixed media pack, so if you guys want to go ahead and copy, know what I'm saying. I got the texture. If you guys are wondering what the font is, it's called the Signature. Yeah, just kind of that, that formation right there. All right, so going over the adjustments for you guys, First of all, let's start off with the color fill. This is just a grain color fill. Put the grain to 55%. Then you got a paper green. This is also in the mixed media pack. Then we got the black market copy scanner. Also, this is on lighter color. This is on linear dodge add. All these different blend modes have different looks, so you can try them all out. Then we have the overlay, just to make it dark. We have the gradient map. This is the purple one. Just to kind of, let me actually show you guys what happened. I'll just break them down one by one. Alright, so I didn't really like the red, so I went for the purple, just kind of match his vibe. Because Young Fendi, he got a little sad vibe, I guess. Then I got a black and white kind of layer, just kind of like get rid of the purple in some areas in his face that I didn't like, just like that. And then vibrance also to kind of like desaturate the purple. I really like a desaturated purple. It's a really nice color, but yeah, brightness and contrast, just to kind of bring up the brightness and shit. Let me go over them, by the way, just so you guys can see them. But you guys can't even see this shit. Damn. Let me move the camera like so. Alright, hopefully this good. Hopefully this shit is good. Let me change it. Yeah, I've been fucking this shit up, bro. Fuck. I recorded a few videos before this, so I probably fucked them up. But yeah, those are that. And then the exposure, you know, 156. You know, I'd probably bring that even more up. That's basically it, I'm not gonna lie. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe. Also, make sure you guys do go ahead and cop the motherfucking pack. But yeah, join the Discord too. And yeah, peace.